the fastest way to get paid in Beam. Beam Wallet is your secure, private portal for financial transactions. Receiving funds is quick and easy, with options for both standard speed and maximum privacy. Here is your step-by-step guide to accepting Beam coins. First, launch the Beam mobile wallet app. From the main wallet screen, you'll see a prominent Receive button. Tap it. The app immediately generates a brand new, single-use wallet address for your transaction. Using a new address each time is a built-in feature to enhance your privacy. Now you have two main options for sharing this address with the sender. You can simply tap the copy button to get the long alphanumeric string, and then paste it into any secure messaging app to send it over. Alternatively, if the sender is also on a Beam mobile wallet, tap to access the shareable QR code. It's the fastest and most error-free way for them to scan and send. Before you share, you have a few optional steps. You can enter a specific requested amount if you've already agreed on the transfer sum. You can also add a comment, but keep in mind this is only for your personal record inside your wallet. The sender won't see it. For an extra layer of privacy, look for the maximum anonymity set option under Advanced Settings. This is an offline payment that offers the highest privacy, but be aware it can take up to 72 hours for the transaction to complete and appear in your balance. Once you've shared the address, all that's left is for the sender to initiate the transaction. Your new Beam coins will appear in your wallet balance and under your transaction history when the transfer is complete. Enjoy the freedom of private finance.